attachments. I'm going to use the integral hooks. I love that from Spark. You can use them just to put the elastics. And the results, about 2 years, I don't know, close to 2 years is going to be the case, more or less, where we finish with this beautiful smile, very, very beautiful smile, a growing woman, finishing with this nice occlusion. At the end, it's very important, the soft tissue. The torque, 110 degrees in the upper arch, 90 degrees in the lower. This engagement in class 1. Look at the soft tissue. Look at the bone remodelation. When you move the teeth with calm, planning from the root, what we can get. The arc shape. 1 minute I finished. You can see, look at how predictable is the intrusion also with the 1/7 that was extruded. The distalization, the nice balance. You can see also, we have bone. Of course we have bone. Of course we have bone in this area. Even you protrude the upper. If you plan with calm, of course you remodulate this alveolar bone there to give this support to the face. And you can see here the evolution, right? A woman that is a relapse of an old treatment, suffering with the TMJ. Look at here, the lack of coordination, and only aligners, in this case Spark aligners, elastics. The foundation for me always will come from changing the shape of the upper arch. If you don't change the transversal dimension, nothing can happen. So important to coordinate the arches. And the huge change, as you can see, in the vertical, the position of the molars, the face, and the smile of the patient. So, final thoughts. This sentence is always with me, my friend. Memento mori means, to all of you, remember that we are going to die. For sure, all of us, we are going to die. With that in our mind, we only have one life, so don't waste it. It's in our hands to live and have an extraordinary life. Give and give everything that you have. Forgive everything, of course. And thank you very much. Viva la vida.